So the Chinese central bank keeping rates unchanged this morning as expected, and mostly low impacting data for the rest of the day before tomorrow's string of preliminary manufacturing and services PMIs out of market for the month of June. Now expectations are for ongoing sub 50 readings, that means contraction, but for those figures to improve a bit on what we saw in May, and especially to improve on what we saw back in April. There's also going to be some more US housing data. We got API's oil reading, but a lot of times oil traders sort of waiting until Wednesday's more encompassing EIA estimate. Those big surpluses that we saw back in April, we haven't been seeing them over the past couple of weeks. The surplus has been much more moderate, but for those of you in the FX market trading the New Zealand dollar, we got the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's monetary policy announcement. They're set to keep rates unchanged at 0.25%. On Thursday, we're going to get some more sentiment figures out of Germany, and there's also going to be the ECB's minutes, a couple of its members speaking. But when it comes to the US, we got plenty of data. We've got the final GDP figure, we got trade, and of course, the Thursday weekly unemployment claims. And in this case, expectations are for another million-plus figure. On Friday, attention really shifts to the US consumer because the Bureau of Economic Analysis, they're going to be releasing a string of items, personal income, spending, and pricing as well. And when it comes to oil, lastly, Baker Hughes US oil rig count last week showing another consecutive decline, down 10 from the week before to just 180 million.